Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering down briefly, then powering up to ensure a clean start. This prevents software hitches from blocking the reset. Once done, locate the dedicated reset hole or the multifunction button, models vary, so you know which control to hold. Make sure your phone and Wi-Fi credentials are nearby because a factory reset wipes pairing and network data. Now, press and hold the correct button for the required 10-15 seconds until the speaker announces reset or LEDs flash. You should hold the reset control steadily. The speaker will often confirm with a voice prompt or a specific LED blink pattern. This is the device validating your intent. After you release, allow a full minute or more for the unit to erase settings and reinitialize firmware, interrupting power risks corrupting the system. If the device reboots automatically, let it finish. If not, manually power cycle once the LEDs settle. Make sure to watch for a fresh setup, prompt to know the reset completed successfully. After the reset completes, open the companion app and follow the on-screen setup to reconnect to Wi-Fi and your account. This recreates smart features. If the speaker never signaled reset, try again holding the button longer or using the recessed reset hole with a paperclip. Sometimes dust or a sticky button prevents contact. If repeated attempts fail, make sure your phone and router are working, check for firmware updates via the app, and contact support as a last resort so you don't risk partial restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.